In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a Neo using your RC2 in cruise control. Now, when you're using your DJI Neo with your RC2, guys, you need to know that the software is designed for the Neo. So when you go into it, you're going to see it's a lot different, say, if you're using your Mini 4 Pro. So I'm going to show you how you do it first, and then we'll go out on location and I'll show you how to do cruise control. And I think it's pretty good. Right guys, I've just turned on the DJI Neo, so you can see, hopefully you can see the green lights are on already. I've already turned on my RC2. Check out the video, just in case you haven't binded the RC2 with the DJI Neo. It's pretty easy. So what you want to do, guys, is you go over to About, and then you go into Control, and then you scroll down until we get to button customization. Okay, so on the back of your RC2, you can see two buttons. You've got a C1 and a C2. Now, I'm left-handed, so the C1 is going to be my button. But if you're right-handed, you're probably going to choose the C2 button. If you see on the screen there, I'm just going to tap on the C1 button. And if you go over to Control, you've got a choice of the gimbal up and down, but I want to do cruise control. So that means when I'm out flying, it only works, guys, when the drone's in the air, but once you move the stick forward, you apply cruise control, that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you wanted to, you could go over to the C2 button and you could do recenter, tilt down. That's just a setting for the cruise control. That easy, isn't it? So what we do now, we're going to go out on location. So I'm here now, Neo RC2.
Home point updated.
Okay. So I'm going to send the drone forward with a stick and then apply, because I did the C1 button. So off we go. And as soon as I press the button, it's already in there. I can let go of the sticks. I can just send it up a little bit higher there. A little bit more. Okay. Let's just drop that gimbal down a bit. I can't see where that tower is. Okay, there it is. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it into cinematic because it's flying a little bit fast for what I want it to do. So I'll just put it into cinematic. And what it's done, since I've done that, it kicked it out of the cruise. So I'll just press that button again. So we're back in. Okay, I'm going to turn it around because what I wanted to do, this is what I like about the cruise control, is I can not worry so much about the stick so much because I can just mess about that gimbal. You see what I mean? So it's just flying along that tower there. And that's the main purpose of cruise control. You don't need to have the stick. The drone will just keep going. You see what I mean? You can sort of, you can move it, straighten up a little bit. It's putting along there at about 4 miles per hour. There it is. I'll just drop that stick right down this time. Just going over the top now. It's still about, I don't know, probably another 10 foot. Let's drop it down a little bit more then. Okay. We'll do one more shot there. Probably isn't. Oh, not another one. Okay, there it goes. Coming up to the roof there. I think that's a nice shot. Just go over the tower. Come on. You can do it. Well done. So, that worked pretty well, I thought, because I just wanted to try out cruise control. And it's just picking the place you want to do it on. Now, I was just trying to go up and down this building, dropping the gimbal down, probably bringing down the height. I mean, like I showed you, what I like about it, you let go of the sticks and you have more control of the gimbal, so you got that nice straight line. But you can obviously move it about a bit as well. So, I hope you thought the video was useful. Maybe not, I don't know. But there'll be another video coming very soon.